gathered here because we have to understand what glaucoma is, and the same thing has to be passed on to the general public. So why are we interested in this particular disease? All these days we were not talking about it, and suddenly for the past 4-5 years there's a lot of interest about glaucoma. It's not that this never existed, it existed for a very long time, but the reason that we need to create awareness in the public has come of late. That somebody is taking a big initiative all over the world. World Glaucoma Week essentially means that this particular week, the week in the second week of March, every year we do something called, we observe something called a World Glaucoma Week, where we try to create awareness among the public as well as among the general ophthalmologists about this particular disease. And this is something which is there, this whole week is taken as the World Glaucoma Week throughout the world. So they can do it through the week, they can do it one day in a week, they can do whatever program that is there to create public awareness, either talking to the patients or talking to the media to take it to the general public, or educate doctors, the general ophthalmologists, to diagnose glaucoma early and how to treat it, and there are a lot of things that we can do. So as this initiative in the city of Hyderabad, all the ophthalmologists are coming together to do a glaucoma walk. This is again to create awareness in the public, because if somebody is going on hearing about this, they will ask, they are inquisitive, no? They will ask as to what this glaucoma is and why we need to get this diagnosed and why we need to treat this. So for that we are all coming together to do a glaucoma walk, which will be on the 10th of March, that's 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. We'll start at Prasad Labs, and then it will go towards the Jubilee Hills checkpost. So that will be for an hour in the morning. Everybody is welcome for that. So that will be the ophthalmologists in the city. And we are also trying to do the similar kind of programs through the state, through our partner hospitals or through our secondary centers that are there with the LV Prasad, or with the general ophthalmologists who are there in various parts of the state. So this is again to create public awareness, as well as some people are doing a whole week free glaucoma screening programs, where they're trying to invite people, either they invite the family members of the already diagnosed glaucoma patients, or invite people to come in. If you say at least you have a free program, somebody would be coming in to get their eyes checked up, something like that. So in this initiative, as a part of this initiative, we have given a couple of press releases as well as a couple of television programs to talk about what glaucoma is. And there was one yesterday which had come up in Enadu talking about childhood glaucoma. Okay, and I invite Dr. Chandrasekhar to come and talk to you about what exactly